Hi, this is Jen, Business Manager for Kids Yoga Stories. I'm excited today to give you a peek inside the Yoga in the Classroom bundle. Many of you have asked us what exactly is inside this bundle. So today we're heading in to see all the fun yoga resources you'll receive. So here we go. After you purchase, you'll receive a zip file, seen here. You're just going to double click on that file, which will open up to a standard file. From there, you double click on that file and you will see the different categories of resources within the bundle. So we have breathing exercises, pose images, which you can use to create your own posters or books or cards, yoga books for kids, yoga cards for kids, yoga pose sequences, and of course, yoga posters. So as the title suggests, we want to start here. And when you double click on this, you will see the Yoga in the Classroom bundle workbook. So this workbook is a great starting point and also includes your planner. So as we scroll down, you'll see that we list all the resources in here with the appropriate links, and it'll be able to better organize how you introduce these concepts in your classroom. We also provide other resource ideas and some yoga theme ideas as well. And then of course the monthly planner, which you can print off and use throughout the year. As we continue to look inside, I'm going to double click on the breathing exercises and show you those adorable cards. So double click and we open it up. And again, you can either print these off, you can use them from your tablet or use them on your computer in the classroom. So here are the breathing exercises. We're going to scroll down, look at a few examples. You have alternate nostril breathing with a wonderful description to be able to explain it to the kids in your class. Back-to-back breathing, some balloon breath. This is one of my favorites, the bee breath, so cute. We're going to continue exploring in the folder Yoga Books for Kids. So double click that. And as you can see, we have Anna and her rainbow colored yoga mats, Rachel's Day in the Garden, and the Grateful Giraffe, which you see here. So you just double click on that and this will open. So this is the Grateful Giraffe, a kid's yoga feelings book. And as you can tell, yoga poses are weaved throughout the story. And since this is a book about feelings, we explore feelings on this page, as well as sharing where the animals are from in the world. And of course, how to practice the yoga poses so that you will be able to very confidently explain the individual yoga poses to your children. And always a parent-teacher guide to help you get the most out of the story. Next up, we're going to explore yoga cards for kids. And with this bundle, you will receive chair yoga poses for kids and yoga poses deck 1, our most popular yoga cards deck. So chair yoga poses, these poses are wonderful for the classroom. So the cards come with an index, tips, how to practice the chair yoga poses with wonderful descriptions and details. Then the actual poses themselves. And so on. Up next, yoga pose sequences. So we're just going to open up the kids yoga class ideas, but we also have monthly kids yoga themes as well as simple yoga sequences for kids. So a ton of ideas. And these can be very easily printed off and handed out to the kids as well. This one is for the calendar year. And you'll notice here also book ideas that you can easily find at the library. Descriptions, book ideas, and themes based on the month of the year. And then lastly, yoga posters. So we have classroom yoga poster, homeschooling yoga poster, large group yoga games, and yoga card games. We'll take a peek at the yoga card games poster. And this one includes memory card game, yoga pose spinner game, and you'll notice these cards here, they are included in the pack. So you'll be able to use the Yoga Deck 1 cards to play games in the classroom. And that is a quick preview into the Yoga in the Classroom bundle.